The latest feature that we've included with our Columbia flat boxes is a yoke on the front, or what some people would call a lip. Where we discovered the need for this was in the southern markets in California and Arizona and even up into Colorado. The trades there had developed a method where when they are sweeping off the wall in a tight space, when they're sweeping the box off the wall with their flat box handle, they like to choke up on the box handle away from the lever and sweep the box off using their index finger and their middle finger and or some version of that. And it allows them to coat closets without switching handles or changing what they're doing. They can go right from the wall into a tighter space and not change anything. So they're using their fingers on this yoke like this, and there's different methods for it that they use. They also will go right past like this and use it. And it's just to sweep the box off without using the brake actuator on the end. So it kind of gives a manual assist or a manual method for getting your box off the wall without leaving a big trail, without engaging the handle here on the end. So a lot of people are asking what it's for because it's not apparent to everybody, and it shouldn't be either. It's more of a method that's regional. We don't know if it'll pick up in different regions, but we hope it does. Another thing that makes it nice, it's a nice way to carry your box around, we figured. In our factory here, we notice people carrying them around by it all the time. It's a small little handle. So that's what that's for. If anybody has any questions about that, it's an added feature. There was no cost to it to our customers. We didn't add anything to the price. It's something we wanted to offer. Thank you.